In this video we will talk about how to cure anxiety, and natural ways for dealing with anxiety. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Anxiety is a reaction often associated with stress, illness, or even treatment. During an anxiety attack, a person feels overwhelming nervousness, tension, fear, forgetfulness, and panic. Although people experience anxiety as a normal part of life, true anxiety attacks are much different. For instance, if you were interviewing for a new job, you might feel a little anxious or apprehensive, but this is different from true anxiety in which the above symptoms take over. If you find yourself being faced with anxiety often, or if you have an anxiety attack that persists, you want to see your doctor. In the meantime, remember that anxiety is treatable. If the situation is serious, your doctor may recommend prescription medication such as Klonopin. But before you get to that point, you might consider a number of natural ways for dealing with anxiety. With this, not only can you bring the anxiety attack under control but also help prevent the attacks in the future, which would be the ideal solution. For starters, when you feel an anxiety attack coming on, find a quiet room or place where you can sit and relax. There, use what is called imagery, which is where you allow your mind to imagine other things or places that are calming. As an example, you might sit in a quiet room and envision yourself on the beach, hiking around a lake, shopping, or whatever it is that you enjoy. During this time, try to hear the sounds and smell the aromas of the experience to make it as real as possible. Most often, imagery works quickly and successfully. In addition, you will find a number of safe products on the market to help ease the tensions associated with an anxiety attack. Often, these products are made from things such as lavender, Melissa officinalis, and Passiflora incarnata. Together, these natural substances calm the anxiety but also irritability and stress. For this type of product, just a few drops in a glass of water provides relief within minutes. Available in a small bottle, you can carry it with you so you are always prepared. Another favorite combination is made from Passiflora and St. John's wort. Again, when used in therapeutic dosage, this mixture can provide a sense of well-being in helping stabilize anxiety. The thing to remember is that if you suffer from anxiety or full-blown anxiety attacks, you have great natural remedies and solutions to consider. However, in severe cases, remember a visit with your doctor may be needed, whether for prescription medication or perhaps some counseling to help you through the challenges of anxiety. I hope you found some useful information and tips. Let me know which methods you will use. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.